So the PS5 Sharefactory bits editor has sound effects that you can add to your videos. There's a few to choose from, so as a quick example you can make something a little bit like this.
It was at this moment he knew he messed up.
Okay, so that was a quick clip I put together as a quick example as what you can do. Yes, the voice and the character didn't match up. I know that, but I was just showing you an example of what we could do with the clips that I had. So here's a few more sounds that you can use before we go on to showing you how to use it. Okay, so there's a few examples you could use. So to add a Sharefactory sound effects to your bits video, choose whichever bits you want to use. I'm going to use custom bits, and then choose whichever video clips you want to add the sound effects to, and then push the cross button and push the cross button again on this page there, and then we can go to sound effects right there. And then we've got three different sections. We've got ambient, voices and special. Ambient has 3 sounds, voices has 13 and special has 15. So I'll play a few of them for you now. Yeah! Yeah!
A few moments later.
It was at this moment he knew he messed up.
Okay, so that last sound effect we're going to use, so we push the cross button to choose it, and then we use the left stick on the controller to move it to wherever we want. Now it is really hard to work out exactly where it's going to start, so it's a bit of trial and error. Just push the cross button once you think you've got it in the right place, and it does come up with options if you push the square button to go to sound effects, delete sound effects, or sound effects volume. So play about with those to however you want them, and then once you're happy with it you can push the circle button to come back and just play and see whether it's in the right place. So let's take a look at it now and see whether that's right.
It was at this moment he knew he messed up.
Okay, so that's about right for me. So once you're happy with it and you've done all the other things, you can come out of that. You can just double check, obviously go to music or doodles or visual effects, whatever you want. Push the triangle button to create the bit. And then once it's uploaded there, you can go to share later. And then we just need to come out of the Sharefactory bits editor. And then we can just come up to the video editor, and then if you want to add it to a new project, you go to new project, or if you've got an existing project, go to your existing project under my projects. But for this example I'm just going to do it as its sole project on its own. So you just push the cross button and go to the clip that you want and push the cross button on that, and then push the square to add it to your project. Okay, so here is the project in full as we've got it. So that will just play through as we want it, and then literally once you're happy with it you just save it as you would any other project. So no difference. So we've done all the work, just get the rest of the project how you want it, and then just export to gallery and upload it to YouTube if that's what your plan is. So here's some other videos to check out next. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and as always please use NoMoreNoobie as support of Creator Code in the item shop. It really does help out. Please check out all the other videos, there's loads on Sharefactory and PS5. Thanks and bye.